Hey, what's going on guys, Rosminchif in the house and welcome to another special ClickBank and affiliate marketing training. In this one I'm going to show you a very powerful and still underground method that can allow you to generate hundreds of dollars each and every day sending free gifts to people. Yes, I know it sounds kinda counterintuitive, but I'm going to show you step by step how to set up the system. You don't need to invest any money to do that, and the goal for today's video is by the end of it you should be able to make your first $50 or even $100 per day in affiliate commissions using this method and ClickBank. I'm also going to share with you a special website which is free, but it's going to allow you to double and even triple your money, your earnings from ClickBank or any other affiliate network. You don't have to have any experience, any prior experience with affiliate marketing or digital marketing. The system works without any websites or sales funnels, and it works worldwide. You don't have to be in Canada or United States to make this work for you. And like I said, the goal for this video is by the end of it you should be able to make your first $50 or even $100 per day in affiliate commissions. And I think this is the easiest yet very legit method that you can use as a newbie or even as an advanced marketer, because I'm an advanced marketer and I'm still using that, so it works for both advanced and newbies. So without further ado, let me share my screen and let's set up the system. Alright, welcome back. Now the first thing you need to do is obviously go over to clickbank.com and sign up for an affiliate account if you already don't have one. The sign up process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the steps, click sign up here and follow the steps, leave your email, your username, and you should be ready to go. Once you sign up for ClickBank, go over to your dashboard and click marketplace at the top menu here in the middle, marketplace. Now for the newbies who are watching this video, ClickBank is a marketplace where you can promote different products and services that you don't own. You don't have to ship them, you don't have to deal with customer support, but you still get a commission for doing that, and in some of the cases you can get 90% commissions. On the left side you have some categories. We have different travel, sports, self-help, education, gaming, health and fitness, etc. The top three biggest categories on ClickBank and actually in the affiliate world are health and fitness, make money online, and the hobby niche. Today we're going to focus on health and fitness. So instead of clicking any of these categories, what I recommend you just click the search with empty field. From here you can see different products and their commission. So as you can see, some products are paying $120 and some products are paying $17 per sale. I have found pretty cool product for today's video, for today's presentation, which is into the health and fitness niche, and it's called Yoga Burn. This is the product I'm going to show you how to promote, and you're not required to promote this one, but the system works with any product, so I'm just basically taking this as an example, but you can promote any products you want. How I pick a product, how I know the product will convert. The first thing is I always look within the top three niches that I mentioned in the beginning: health and fitness, hobby, and make money online. So the yoga is into the health and fitness niche. That's the first reason. The second reason is the average commission. As you can see, this product pays us $120 per sale. Now you may hear me in my other videos that I talk about that I don't promote products that they have above 80 and $90 average per sale commission, but this is an exception and I'm going to show you why. The recurring revenue. This product, it's a subscription based product, and it's like basically a fitness, digital fitness. They have trainings, they have coaches that they train people. You're not only going to get $120 per sale, but also you're going to continuously getting $141 each and every month. So basically this is a product that can bring you passive income. For example, if you make 10 sales this month and next month you don't promote it, you don't do anything ever, you don't do any work, you're still going to get paid $141 times 10, because if you make 10 sales this month, it means next month this number 141 you have to multiply it by 10 because you have 10 sales. So every month you're going to be getting money for free. Now once you stop on a product, click the promote button, and this is what is going to give you your unique affiliate link. Click generate hop links, and every time you share this link or you drive traffic to this link and people purchase, you're going to get $120 plus the recurring revenue. So let me open this in a new tab. So this is my unique affiliate link. When I hit enter, this is what people are going to see: a professional designed landing page with a very professional video. And when they watch the video, they like the product, they can scroll down and buy the product and sign up for the program. You don't have to worry about this landing page because it's designed by very professional marketers. So this is 100% high converting landing page. But what you have to worry about, if you just send your link out there or you just drive traffic to this link, it's the same thing as you're asking people, hey, this is my link, this is my product, buy my product. Honestly, 90% of the people, including myself, I don't like to be sold. Yes, you can get some sales here and there, but I'm going to show you a way how to increase your sales, how to increase your revenue. Today, this is why you're watching this video. I'm going to show you a unique method that you can actually provide value to the people, and then they're going to be more likely to buy the product. So it's going to increase your revenue, it's going to increase your profit and your affiliate commissions. So to do that, let's open a new tab and type instructables.com. This is a website where people go here to find instructions for DIY, how to do recipes, how to cook, how to assemble furniture, etc. In our case, sign up for a free account, by the way, because I don't think you're going to be allowed to use the website if you don't have a free account. And in the search here, we're going to type yoga. And I'm going to pick third result right here. If I click this, these are instructions for relieving stress with yoga. It has to be congruent with the ClickBank offer. So relieving stress with yoga, and you scroll down, I recommend you read everything for your offer, whatever offer you want to promote, and look what it is. It's a guide. It's basically a guide, step by step, a routine, how to relieve stress with yoga. It's a very nice guide, by the way. And all the instructions here on instructables.com, they're very nice and very well done, professionally well done. As you can see, very cool images, very nice, very informative. This is a huge value for the people who might be interested in yoga. Now, what we want to do here, scroll to the top, and do you see this button where it says download? We're going to download this into PDF. So let me download it, click this. This is the actual file that you're going to be downloading. So scroll again, look through everything, make sure everything is correct, maybe everything is cool, it's looking nice. And if I scroll to the bottom, what we can see, an empty page. So we're going to be using this empty page in a very cool way. I'm going to show you some kind of a magic trick that is going to help you increase your conversions even more. So what you need to do is download this by just hovering over somewhere here on the right side and download the file on your computer. So click save. The next step is go over to Google and type PDF editor online, or just like that, PDF editor. Scroll down and find the result where it says sejda.com. I don't know how to pronounce it. I guess it's sejda.com. Click it. Here, click upload a file and upload the file that you just downloaded from instructables.com. Now scroll down to the bottom. This is going to be our free gift to the people that we're going to give. So by providing value, like I said, they're going to be more likely to buy the product. But I'm going to show you some ninja secrets. So let's scroll down to the bottom, and here at the empty page, click shapes. Be ready for the magic trick. Click shapes, click rectangle, hold and drag somewhere like a big nice rectangle, maybe something like that. And usually I have already made a lot of rectangles, but for you probably it's going to be empty. I always use kind of a orange reddish colors because they are popping up in the eyes of the people. Now leave it like that. And I also have border. Here's the border. If you click that, I have selected, I think it's this one. And the border color, this is the border color, is gray. So you can put like black, but I don't recommend. You see it looks kind of ugly, and I always go with kind of a grayish like that. Okay, looking smooth and nice. Now the next step, which is actually the magic trick. Click text, click somewhere here. So here comes the congruency, folks. We want to make the sale so smooth, and look what we're going to do. Count how many steps you have. So my last step is 11. Let me just go to the first step. So first step is starting the routine. Second step is the half moon. Fifth step is the triangle. And people are following these steps, right? Because they want to relieve stress with yoga. They're going to be following the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And look now what we're going to do, because we're very advanced marketers. Step 11 is actually the final step, full body relaxation. But step 11 is not the last step, because we are going to put here step 12, which is step 12 column, and look what I'm going to type here. Watch the video presentation, or actually watch the free video presentation. The free video presentation. Drag this here in the middle, and I'm going to make it white. So change the color, font, actually the color. I'm gonna make this white, and I can actually make it a bit bigger pixels, and I'm gonna make it, let's see, 22, maybe 24, and I'm gonna move it to the side like that. And now the final thing you have to do is go over to links, click links, and drag somewhere below the actual rectangle a nice big rectangle as well, one more. And this is going to open a pop-up. In this pop-up, you can insert your link. And look now the congruency here. I'm going to go back to ClickBank and I'm going to select again promote the yoga burn. I'm going to generate my hop link, my affiliate link, and I'm going to copy it. And I'm actually going to insert this hop link inside the free PDF, which is going to be the free gift you're going to give to people. Paste here, click somewhere on the side and drag this blue rectangle on top of this one. So let's drag this one on top of here like that, and maybe resize it a little bit so it can match the angles, the actual edges of the old rectangle like that, and click apply changes. Click download again, download it again, but this time rename it to let's say relieving stress with yoga, and then dash edit it like that. So click save. And now when I open this file, so look what we just did. The one we just created, when people read through everything, they read the instruction, you provide a lot of value. People like that. And again, the instructables.com website is very trustworthy and is very legitimate website. So people will start reading, okay, step 1, starting the routine, how to relieve stress with yoga, step 2, step 3, etc, etc. Then they scroll down to the bottom because, you know, they're following the steps. They want to see what's going on. And at the bottom, you see they have step 12. And when they click this step 12, because this is the congruency, they follow the pattern and they think that they need to click to watch the final step, which is actually a free video presentation. And then click, look what happens when I click this. And we're going to be redirected, voila, to our affiliate link to the affiliate page from ClickBank. And here they can watch the video and now they can purchase the product. But do you see now the congruency here? Instead of just asking them for the sale right away, we actually going to be giving people very nice value. We're going to be giving them a free valuable gift. This is a gift. It's a free ebook with step-by-step guide, like a blueprint, which is actually a blueprint on how to relieve stress with yoga. This is what I call a silent sale. It's a very smooth process. The transition is unnoticeable. And this way people don't feel like they're being sold. People feel like they're being helped and you actually want to help them even more. This is what I do in all of my affiliate campaigns, whether it's with this free ebook, with this free PDF. I always provide a lot of value upfront. Okay, the next step you need to do is open a new tab and type YouTube. In the search bar, type Ross Minchev, hit enter, and to the right side where it says subscribe, click this button and subscribe. Did you see how smooth that was? This is what I'm talking about, a smooth sale. People follow steps, people follow patterns. When they're in the mood of following something, they're already in the mindset, okay, I have to follow the first step to achieve the end result. People are looking to achieve the end goal, which is to tune their body to maybe lose weight or to maybe get some muscles or maybe to relieve stress with yoga. Here you're watching this video and I'm showing you step by step. Click here, do that, do this, upload this file, edit this file. So you're in the mindset that if you skip a step, it's not going to work. But anyways, if I go back here and now that we have our free gift, go over to a website called gofile.io. This is a free website that you can upload any files. You can do this with Google Drive or any box.com, whatever you like, but I'm using this one because it's simple and easy. I can click upload a file, click here, and I'm going to upload the PDF that we just edited, which is called the edited PDF. Open and click upload. And voila, we have our link with our PDF. Copy this and now you can start sending traffic to this link. This is our unique link, and if I paste it on a new tab, it's going to redirect us to the actual file. People can download this free PDF. The next step is you have to start driving traffic to the free ebook. So you can go to Facebook, you can go to Instagram, you can go to forums, blogs, etc. I usually do a lot of paid advertising. My free advertising is about 10% and 90% is a paid advertising. But what you can do, you can go over to Facebook and in the search bar just type yoga and go over, let me move myself, click groups on the left side, and I'm already a member of a lot of yoga groups, as you can see. But if you're not a member, you're going to see this icon, the circle with these 3 people here. So you just can click the icon and you should be able to join the group. So I just clicked it, as you can see, and now I will be a member of this group. Go over to the actual group and I can actually click here in this group with 61,000 members. I can click this and I can provide free value to people. I'm going to tell them, hey guys, I found a free ebook on how to relieve stress with yoga, exclamation mark. Hit enter and paste your link here. Not your ClickBank link, but your link to the actual PDF that you just created. And just delete that. And usually what I do, I put a lot of emojis, not a lot, but just some emojis. So on my computer, on my Mac, I can hold down Control, Command, and Space. This is my emoji tab, and I'm going to actually type in the search yoga, and I'm going to select this lady, lovely lady, as you can see at the top. And at the end of my sentence, I'm going to maybe put something which is with green lifestyle. So this one, salad. Seems congruent, right? I can change the sentence, I can do different, this is just an example, but be creative, type something, provide a lot of value. I have other videos that I explain how to provide a lot of value as well, and I have other ways to promote this type of offers, affiliate offers. But overall, if I have to summarize everything and give you a conclusion, affiliate marketing, it doesn't have to be hard. But a lot of people, 90% of the people out there I see, they're just trying to make the sale, make the sale, make the sale. And quite honestly, it's not working because people are sick and tired of advertisements all around their screen, their display, right? By providing value, by providing free value, and actually educating people, and then ask for the sale, which you saw. I'm not actually asking for the sale. This is what I told you. It's called the silent pitch, silent sale. But I give them free gifts, and it feels non-salesy. People don't feel like they're being sold. I'm going to repeat myself many times, but this is the reality. You have to make people feel like you're actually helping them, and you have to help them. That's why I told you, read the instructables, watch the VSL from ClickBank, watch everything. Do your research. Don't promote just a product on ClickBank just to make the money. Because doing that, yes, maybe you can make some money, but long-term value, if you want to make passive income and if you want to make money in the long term, make sure that you're providing value, make sure that you're selling very legitimate product, and make sure to educate people. After you post this link, answer all the comments that you receive on this post. Think about it like you're a business owner. If you're a business owner, you want to keep your customers happy and you want to keep them for a long time. And by the way, if you're wondering if you're allowed to distribute some files from Instructables, you can go over to instructables.com, go over to your article. Now, usually you should not have any issues, but because Instructables.com is a social network, all the instructors here are people like me and you, just regular folks that they're posting. But to be 100% secure and you're sure that you don't infringe any copyrights, what I highly recommend, just go over to the article, click the author, here is the author, by the LT something, click the author, and then just send them a message. Simply, just click here and send them a message. Hey, introduce yourself. Hey, this is Ross, or something like that. And then ask them, do you mind if I share your article in a PDF format to my Facebook group or to my people, or can I upload it to my website? Just ask them, be honest with them, because that way you're going to win, and they're also going to be a winner because you're going to distribute their work and people will know about them, so they're going to get some free traffic as well. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.